Easy to install direct replacement for the motor cartridge of model T800 Tsunami Aerator and bilge pumps. Reliable, self-contained unit that locks securely into the pump. Installs easily, fits properly, and delivers outstanding performance. Intended for use in the T800 models of the Tsunami Aerator pump, Tsunami dual outlet aerator pump, and Tsunami bilge pump. 12-volt motor cartridge installs with a 29-inch wire. Boaters, boat builders and dealers all want one thing from their bilge pumps: more power. And that's what the Tsunami series delivers with high capacity, high efficiency output. Tsunami cartridge pumps have replaceable, interchangeable motor cores. Makes servicing simple and quick. Top reviews from the United States. Excellent repalcement product. The original that came with my kayak went out in about a year. I just screwed it on and that was it, as the kayak was already plumbed. I like this product. Note: it will last longer if you pay attention to differences in the sounds. I fish in the ocean with my kayak, and sometimes weeds get sucked in the motor, and I can tell because this quiet motor starts getting louder. I shut it off immediately, unscrew the motor and remove the weeds, put it back quickly and mop up the water from the hull, and I am good to good. Avoid running in a heavily weeded areas and move when the weeds accumulate around the boat, to prevent clogs and possible motor burnout.